And good morning, everybody, and happy Thursday. Welcome back to NeelyFX. My name is Michael Neely, and this is the channel where I talk about foreign exchange trading, prop trading, and making money doing all those things. So let's first, since we're going to be talking about live trades and live trading activities, let's talk about the disclaimer screens. So if you're new to Forex, pay attention to this because it is very, very relevant to making mistakes and what can happen when you make a mistake. This channel is for educational and for entertainment purposes only. It does not constitute trading or financial advice. I'm a professional trader, not a broker, trading my own capital. I'm also involved in a prop firm challenge with Audacity Capital out of London. I do not solicit funds, manage client accounts, nor do I hold CFTC or NFA registration at this time. I have held NFA registration in the past. I am a former broker. Back in the days before computers, before Forex.com took over brokers. It was about 25 years ago. But at any rate, Forex trading is highly speculative with a high risk of losing some or all of your investment capital. Only trade with funds you can comfortably afford to lose. And here's the CFTC risk disclosure. Forex trading carries a high degree of risk and may not be suitable for all investors. The high degree of leverage can work against you as well as for you. Now, before trading Forex, consider your investment objectives, experience, and risk appetite. You could sustain a loss of some or all of your investment capital. So now that we got that out of the way, I'm in the United States, so that's the reason why I say that is because I think it's required by law, and I like being on the correct side of the law, if that's a good thing. So let's see. First, let's take a look at our prop trading thing and see what we're doing. Hey, look at that. We're profitable. We are profitable by a little bit and a little bit more as soon as these trades close out profitably, and we're going to set that up in just a second. But first, let's get into what's going on today. So today we have at 8:30 we've got the final GDP coming out for second quarter in the United States. We also have unemployment claims, which has not really been a thing for a while. Henry likes to talk too. Henry, the Forex trading parakeet, is with me also. Then we have core durable goods and durable goods orders, and then the final GDP price index, all coming out at 8:30. So good times. We could have a lot of fun things happening at 8:30. Final GDP, I've never seen it to be a real big mover because it's not really a change from the advanced GDP that comes out a month before. And then we have GDP for third quarter coming out next month. So existing homes may have a role in it because since the housing has played a larger role in the United States economy, in my opinion, since the zero interest rate policy took over in about 2000, and Greenspan did that right after the Twin Towers came down, and or 2001 rather, and it pretty much held it throughout the financial crisis and all this other stuff. So another outside of that, we're going to not talk about that, which led to the inflation of 2022. So let's get into what's going on in the world today, world of trading. So let's go to DXY first, because I want to see what's going on with that. It's kind of topping out a little bit. Kind of topping out at 97.80. Yesterday I said I didn't think it would go that high. It did. Look at that. I was wrong. Just fine. I'm totally comfortable with that. It does look like it's topping out though. So we should see a reversal of the dollar. Not really a strong. Maybe not. Maybe we're not going to see a reversal of the dollar. Just staying within the top section of that Bollinger Band and bouncing off the one SD, or the one standard deviation Bollinger Band in the middle. So it could go higher. Right now it's just not doing. Right now it's not going anywhere. Right now it's just flat. So that's the time that you really just need to see what's. Can't really tell what's going to happen if it's not going anywhere. If that makes any sense. It's like a car. You walk up to a car and say, "Hey, where's this parked car going?" I don't know. Okay, good. Check. So let's go to the euro versus the dollar now. Don't know where the car's going to go till somebody gets in it. Here we have the euro versus the dollar. I have come in on a trade about here on 1165, expecting a bounce to go to a weaker dollar, and that's also going to drive the price of gold down. which I am not happy with. I do not want a lower price of gold right now. I want a higher price of gold, because I'm involved in an active trade with that too. So with euro versus the dollar, we have it pretty much not sure where it's going to go yet. Probably waiting on. Then see, we have core PCE price index coming out tomorrow. That's the Fed's favorite metric for measuring inflation. I don't know why. They've been doing a lot of funky accounting things with that number in a while lately. Dollar versus the yen, it's up there compared to yesterday, and went on a little run. Didn't expect it, so did not get in that trade. Also, so wrapped up in the gold trade, trying to make sure I didn't lose the gold trade. Here we have the USD versus the dollar, and it is hanging out at the top too. So with that, we're going to come down to here. And again, not much going on in the overnights. Not much going on in the Asian and the London market so far. It's pretty boring. Again, if you want to come into trading for excitement, this is not the thing to do. Trading for excitement, you want to do anything else but for excitement. Find out what excites you and do it, but don't do trading for excitement, because it's not. That's not where it's at. Dollar versus the yen. Pardon me, pound versus the yen. The dragon, as it were. It is not being the dragon. It did cross 200 and then it's kind of petered out, so it's kind of hanging out at about 200 also. Not a whole lot of activity going on. UCAD went through the roof yesterday and then didn't really do anything after that. Got a week high about 139. That's a nice psychological level. Looks like it's trying to reclaim 120 to 139 right now, and just looks like it's not doing a very good job with that. Aussie versus the dollar. On the currency meter, this is the, let me find that real quick. Make sure I'm not coming up. The currency meter is saying that this is the strongest currency tip this morning right now. At least it was a couple minutes ago. See what it's going to say. Yep, there it is. Aussie's number one. But nothing's happening here. Absolutely nothing's happening here. So it may say it's right in the middle, that Bollinger Band, not touching it. Got a bullish reversal followed by a bearish reversal candle right there, right next to each other. So that's, pardon me, a bearish reversal followed by a bullish reversal, but I don't think that bullish reversal is going to hammer out. It's got another 2 hours before that candle fills. And I see that going down, probably just down to here. Again, that's only 20 pips, not a lot to go after. Gold, my favorite. Gold has been going everywhere lately. Just formed a new candle. It is a red candle, and I don't like that because I've been watching this trade for a little while. Came down a lot sharply yesterday. Came down and touched this trend line, and then took off again. It didn't really take off, but it came down to 15. Yeah. I'm showing 14.89 on that. I was watching it at 15, and that's when I bought in again at 37.25 to see if I could save the trade. And it worked out. Worked out well so far. Looking for that candle to go blue, but I would really like to see it getting about $5 more and get over this resistance area right here. So it's right here. That's a resistance area. Those candles stop. And that's just kind of hanging out there. It's right there on that blue, the middle of the blue, it's sitting right on the moving average, which is the center line for the Bollinger Bands. And volume is coming down. So, could be a gold sell-off. I don't know. Right now it's at 56.75. And I'll show you what I did with that trade so far. So here is let's get to the trade. Here's the trade. Here's the initial trade I did, which I set it at 37.75 to see if it would go that high, and it did, and then it reversed. So we have about $170 in possible, or in peanut, and profit and loss. This is the dollar versus the yen trade that I thought was going to go down. It's still set. I'm not pulling it yet, so it's still a good idea in my eyes. I may want to get out of this gold trade. This gold trade is driving me bonkers. It's right at profitability right now, so I may want to set a stop loss for both these trades at 54, and that way I won't lose my mind. Because something that I've found in working with this platform on the road when I'm working is that it's really difficult to close the trade. It's easier to 4 point. Set those the same. So if they go, then I'll still be profitable on that. I'm very happy with that trade. So that's what we've got so far today, and we'll be looking at a lot more. Balance is going to go up. Equity is going to be down about $36 after this euro pound trade. I also want to get into the euro trade. Where's that one? I have not set it up in this platform, which is my. Oh yeah, I have. It's right there. But it's an order. It's not a position yet. So that's what we've got so far today. Just kind of waiting around to see what's going to happen at 8:30 today. That's when some of the fireworks could go off. I'm expecting. I'm going to keep ratcheting up this stop loss on the gold trade, see if I can get squeeze more money out of it. Could just take profits right now too, because with a reversal in the dollar, a long-term reversal in the dollar, we're going to get a long-term reversal in the gold, and gold's got a long way to come back down. I'm envisioning the 1980-81 gold move, where it came down from $900 an ounce back down to $200 an ounce. And that was a very interesting move. I don't see us doing that this time because we don't have a Paul Volcker holding interest rates at 21% to drive out inflation. Instead, we have Jay Powell, who's, in my opinion, not doing his job. But when you really get down to it, you've got people at the top that are not doing what they're supposed to do. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Got a new high on silver. Silver's at $45 an ounce now. Broke 45.05 and looks like it's holding it. So we could see another run up in gold. I sure hope so. I'd like that. I'd like to see it hit about 3,800 because we still have a government shutdown coming up and potential government shutdown in the United States coming up. Not sure how that's going to affect me yet. And also a lot of other fun things, including lowering the interest rates. So let's see what the Fed Watch is going to say. Let's refresh it. So this is going to be a short video. Don't have a whole lot going on. My euro trade's in place. My gold trade is in place. Got an 8% chance of holding and a 91.9% chance of cutting rates to 25%, but they still haven't built that premium in yet. So looking for that to happen. So we're looking for a declining dollar, looking for declining gold prices soon, although right now they're not doing that, but we will see what happens. So with that, I'm going to let you guys go. You guys have a great one. That's about all I got for today. Not a whole lot happening today, but if you're trading, then trade well. If you like this video, then like it. If you've got something to say about this video, then comment on it, and be sure to subscribe to the channel so you always stay informed when I've got a new video coming out, because I also have shorts coming out on the weekends when we go lollygagging around in New England. So you guys have a great one. I'll talk to you later. Bye.